Hello Capricorn, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a general reading. It is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with every Capricorn. If it resonates with you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. What's going on with Capricorn? Also at the bottom of the deck we have the Hermit. So you're definitely analyzing things, you're thinking about things very deeply. Okay, we also have the Chariot. So there's some movement. Okay, there's some movement from your part or from someone else's part. Energies can be vice versa or interchangeable. Okay, so we have the Ace of Pentacles, Justice, the King of Pentacles and the Six of Swords. Okay, so you decided to move away from something. Okay, you decided to move away from a situation. Okay, you decided to move away from a situation after a lot of thinking. After thinking about it thoroughly, after going through everything, you decided to move away from this situation. Okay, because I believe that you were the only person who was offering, who was giving in this situation, and the other person was just taking and taking. There was lack of balance in the situation, so you decided to move away, okay, from something. You may have decided to move away from a relationship or a situation or a friendship or anything. But whatever decision that you made is actually a good one for you, because now something good is coming towards you. Something good is coming towards you. Like we have the Ace of Pentacles, so a good news is coming towards you. Something, some fresh news, some new opportunity. It might be regarding your career, your job or your business, but or maybe love life also, but something new is coming towards you. And we also have Justice. So you made the decision. Okay, a decision was made by you to move away from a situation, and it was actually beneficial for you to move away from the situation, because justice is being served. Okay, justice is being served. Like now whatever will come in your life, if a new person is coming towards you, there will be more balance in your life than there was earlier. Justice is being served. We also have the King of Pentacles. So definitely I believe that you will excel in your career. Okay, some good career opportunities are coming towards your way. I am not really sure about love. Like I don't know whether new love is coming towards you or not, but definitely some good opportunities in your career or in your job are coming towards you. Okay, which is going to create a lot of balance in your life. You might be traveling abroad. Okay, you might be traveling abroad, because we have the Chariot, so you might be traveling abroad for your work or your job. But your decision to move away from a certain situation was a good one. Okay, after analyzing things, when you decided to move away, it happened to be beneficial for you, because now you're thinking more practically. Now you're thinking more deeply. You're actually analyzing things properly now. So it was a good decision, okay, when you decided to move away. I also see that there are chances that you're changing your job. I believe that you're leaving your past job behind and you're moving towards a new job, or you have left your past career option behind and you're moving towards a new career option. But definitely there's movement. You're leaving something behind and moving towards something new, and it is mostly related to money, because there are like two pentacles, like Ace of Pentacles and King of Pentacles. If it is regarding relationship, then you left a situation or a relationship behind and now you're moving towards a new relationship which has more stability. Okay, which is going to offer you more stability and which will be more practical. Okay, the signs that I see here are Earth sign, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. There's Libra also. Then we have air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, again Libra, and we have the Chariot, so Cancer, the Hermit, the Virgo, the Hermit, so Virgo. Okay, these are the possible signs that you might be dealing with, but you definitely left something behind. Okay, what is going on with Capricorn? What is going on with Capricorn? What is going on with Capricorn? Okay, we have the Lovers, King of Cups, the Fool, and Two of Pentacles. So there are chances that you might, since we have the Lovers, so you might receive an offer from a person who considers you as a soulmate, or maybe you consider them as your soulmate, because someone who has very genuine and pure intentions for you is coming towards you. They might offer you their love, they might offer you commitment. Okay, because with the Lovers and Ace of Pentacles, there are chances of a new love offer. Okay, with the Justice and the King of Cups, I believe that now someone is coming towards you. Okay, an offer is coming towards you from a person who is very emotionally fulfilling. Okay, they are very emotionally fulfilling. Like you will feel, or if you already know this person, then you already feel very, like you feel very emotionally fulfilled with this person. Okay, you don't have to try to be you don't have to try to pretend to be someone else. Okay, whatever that you both are doing, it is very, like everything comes very freely between the both of you. Okay, and this person is a very emotionally available person. The person who is coming towards you with the offer is very emotionally available for you. Okay, this is your Justice, because in the past I believe you lacked this emotional your relationship lacked this emotional touch. So now you're going to have that. A person who is like a King of Cups, who is very emotionally available and who thinks practically as well. Like it's a balance between the both, and they are coming towards you. They're coming towards you with an offer, and you're ready to take a leap of faith. Okay, you're ready to take a leap of faith. You're perfectly ready for this new beginning. And we see a dog also, so this person is very loyal as well. Okay, I'm just talking in context of love right now. We'll move on to career. But if we are talking in context of love, then I'll say this person is very loyal. Okay, they are truly in love with you. They consider you as their soulmate, and they are full of loyalty. Okay, and they are also ready for a new beginning with you. Both of you are moving towards a new beginning. Okay, you had I think currently you are a bit confused, or you were a bit confused, because we have the Six of Swords. So you definitely moved away from something. So maybe this decision of moving away from a situation was a bit confusing for you. Like you didn't know what to do, you were not sure about things. But and another possibility is that you are confused about their offer. Okay, you're confused about this new offer, though you are ready for a new beginning, but you're still confused because you are analyzing things very deeply. Okay, you're analyzing things very deeply, and then you'll make a movement. Okay, so you're still not taking a straight up decision. You're taking your time, you're thinking about things, you're analyzing things, then you'll move. Okay, and now this is regarding love. And now if we are going to talk about your career, so I believe that you're definitely moving towards a new job. Okay, you're definitely moving towards a new job, and I believe you have options. Okay, I believe you have options. Like there are two or three, I believe there are two options, like there are two new jobs to choose from. And you're very dicey, like you don't know which one to choose, but definitely you're going to leave the past job behind, and this job is good for your mental health. Okay, or the earlier career path that you chose was draining you emotionally, but this new job or career is definitely beneficial for your mental health as well. Okay, so that is why you decided to leave your past job or career behind and you're moving towards a fresh new beginning. Also, if you need suggestions, as which way to go or which job to choose from, so you should listen to people who are very loyal towards you, okay, who will think about your best interest, who are thinking of your best interest, okay. And if you already have a partner in your life, if you're talking in context of job and you already have a partner in your life, so you can also take advice from them, okay. They are going to advise you well about this. So definitely you're going to have a fresh new beginning. It could be regarding love, it could be regarding your career, it could be regarding anything, okay. And as I told you, there are also chances of moving abroad, so maybe you're dicey about this situation, whether you want to move abroad or you want to stay in your own country. So you should listen to people who are who have been there for you, okay. You should listen to people who have been there for you since the start, okay. Take advice from them. And a soulmate connection is also coming your way, okay. A good connection is coming your way. It is also possible that if you decide to move abroad, then a new partner will be in your life, okay. Someone new will be in your life. So there are mixed chances of both these things. All these cards are indicating a betterment in your career as well as in your love life. Okay, I'm going to pull out one advice card for you. What is the advice for Capricorn? What is the advice for Capricorn? Okay, so for your advice, we have the Knight of Swords. So I believe that you're rushing things, okay? You're rushing things. Even if it's like choosing a job or anything, you're really putting a lot of pressure on your mind. You're really putting you're taking a lot of tension. You're not like, you just want to make a decision very quickly about it, okay. The universe is advising you to slow down a little bit, okay. Slow down a little bit, analyze things like you did, okay. Analyze things like you did and then make a decision. And the decision that you will take after analyzing things will be good for you, because you will measure all the pros and cons, okay. You will measure all the pros and cons of the situation, so you can make a wise and better decision. So don't rush things, take your time and then make a proper decision about your life. Okay, that is all for today, Capricorn. I'll see you next time. Bye.